In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Stremio on Toshiba Smart TV. So let's get started. Now, Toshiba TVs come with 3 different operating systems. So you can have an Android TV or a Google TV. Then you have the Fire TV, which is the Toshiba Fire Edition. And lastly, you have the Roku TV right there, okay? Now, each one installs Stremio differently, okay? So let's get started and talk about the Android or Google TV first, yeah? Now, Google Play Store does not officially have Stremio for TV, but you can side load it, okay? Now, this, first of all, you'll have to open your Google Play Store on your TV and you'll have to download this particular app, okay, which is Downloader, okay? Now after you've downloaded it, you have to go to this path on your TV settings, okay? So you go to settings, security and restrictions, unknown sources, and once you're there, you'll have to allow downloader, okay? There's going to be like a scroll wheel or like an open and close option. So just open it for downloader, okay? Then you'll have to open downloader and you'll have to paste this link, okay? So if I open downloader, this is how it looks like. Now in this URL box, you should just go ahead and paste that link, this link right here, and then you'll have to download the Android TV APK, install Stremio, open it, log in, and you're done, okay? Now let's talk about the Toshiba Fire TV, okay? Now for this, you have to go to settings first of all. So there it is, yeah. Go to settings, my Fire TV, developer options, then turn on apps from unknown sources and ADB debugging. You have to open these 2 options, okay? And then you have to follow the same process. Just go to the downloader app, copy this link and paste it right there, and then download and install the Fire TV APK, okay? Then you can open Stremio, sign in and enjoy. And lastly, we have the Toshiba Roku TV now. Now, Roku does not support APKs or side loading via downloader, but you can use Stremio by casting or screen mirroring, okay? So from an Android phone, you'll have to open phone settings, cast or screen mirroring, click on that, and then select your Toshiba Roku TV, then open Stremio on your phone and the TV will mirror the screen. For an iPhone, you open Control Center, you tap on screen mirroring, and then select your Roku TV, and then when you open Stremio, everything shows on the TV. So yeah, that's basically it on all the different TV operating systems, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.